Introducing the Hugong PowerCut 70HF, a three-phase plasma cutter designed for cutting through steel, stainless, and other conductive metals. It uses high-frequency arc start and includes adjustable post-flow and a gas test function. This machine requires three-phase 400-volt input power. First, switch the machine on using the switch located on the back. This switch allows the user to test the gas flow or switch to cutting mode. This switch is used to select either 2T or 4T cutting mode. This dial is used to adjust the cutting amperage, lower for thinner metals and higher for thicker metals. This is the digital display. This shows your cutting amperage controlled by the dial. This is the post-gas time dial. It allows the user to adjust how long air flows after cutting stops. This is especially important for torch cooling. This light is the temperature safety indicator light. This light indicates if there is any fault with the gas or airflow. At the back of the machine is the air input nozzle. Connect your earth clamp to the indicated socket on the front of the machine. To connect your torch, be sure that the connector points align well with the machine socket, then screw it on firmly.